Are you tired of your makeup melting off just hours after application? It can be incredibly frustrating to spend time perfecting your look, only to have it slide off your face by midday. Oily skin can be a real challenge when it comes to makeup longevity, but don't worry, there are solutions. Today, I'll share some essential skincare prep tips that will make your makeup last all day, even on oily skin. With the right routine and products, you can achieve a flawless look that stays put. So let's get started on this journey to long-lasting makeup. Let's dive in. The first step is crucial and often overlooked. Step 1. Cleanse your face with a gentle oil control face wash. This step is vital because it sets the stage for everything that follows. Look for ingredients like salicylic acid or tea tree oil to remove excess oil and prevent clogged pores. These ingredients are known for their ability to deeply cleanse the skin without stripping it of its natural moisture. This is the foundation of long-lasting makeup. A clean canvas ensures that your makeup adheres better and stays on longer. After cleansing, use an alcohol-free toner to tighten pores and balance your skin's pH. This step is often skipped, but it's incredibly important for oily skin. This step minimizes oil production and preps your skin perfectly for makeup. Toners can also help to remove any residual cleanser or impurities left on your skin. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. You'll notice your skin feels fresher and more balanced. Even oily skin needs hydration. Use a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer with ingredients like niacinamide or hyaluronic acid. Hydration is key to maintaining healthy skin and preventing it from overproducing oil. This ensures your skin stays hydrated without feeling greasy. A well-moisturized face provides a smooth base for makeup application. Hydration is key. Don't skip this step, even if your skin feels oily. Next, apply a mattifying primer to your T-zone. This area tends to get the oiliest, so focusing on it can make a big difference. This step creates a smooth base, controls shine, and ensures your makeup grips onto your skin all day long. Primers can also help to blur imperfections and give your skin a more even texture. No more midday meltdowns. You'll be amazed at how much longer your makeup lasts with a good primer. Once your makeup is done, lock it in place with a setting spray designed for oily skin. This is the final step to ensure your makeup stays put. Look for formulas labeled long-lasting or matte finish for the best results. These sprays help to control oil and keep your makeup looking fresh. This will keep you looking fresh all day. You can even carry a travel-sized setting spray for touch-ups throughout the day. Bonus tip: carry blotting papers and a translucent powder to touch up on the go. These are lifesavers for quick fixes. And if your skin starts to feel oily, a refreshing facial mist can do wonders. It can instantly revive your makeup and give you a fresh look. These little tricks can be lifesavers. Keep them handy in your bag for any makeup emergencies. Now you're ready to say goodbye to makeup struggles on oily skin. With these tips, you can confidently wear your makeup all day without worrying about it melting off. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Health Point Skincare for more expert skincare tips. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. See you in the next video. Stay beautiful and take care of your skin.